I am Anny. I'm a mobile developer. I currently at my job I work with native Android using Kotlin and Java, but I also have experience using React Native and Ionic, being native Android and React Native my favorite. Native Android because of its performance that's really fast and delivers a user a very nice experience, and React Native because of its time to market and really easygoing development. For this challenge you guys gave me, I chose offline first architecture using Redux, Persist, Tunk, and async storage. I chose this architecture because mobile devices can be very vulnerable to network connectivity, and it may have or it may not have connection depending on the user location, the user data capacity, and because of this, I think offline first is a real nice architecture because it allows developers to handle cache data, and because it allows us to control what the user sees when the app is online, offline, and it makes easier for us to persist data. For the features, we have the list top 100 US albums, mark and unmarked favorites albums, and this feature is online only, not because it had to be, but because I chose like this just to show you some online feature. um, we have the consult album detail and search album, use the artist name or album name or price, whatever the user needs. We also have the ability to keep favorites and album data persistent, and we also have the ability to detect when device is offline and deactivate some functions. For example, the link to album feature, which if the device is offline, the browser will not be able to open the link. It will fail. So the app don't even allow the user to click right here when the device is offline. Uh, Now talking about my directory, I start with my source directory. I mount my Redux structure. I use the reducer albums and favorite albums. I keep is connected data right here so the whole app can access it. I mount the store and I write my persistent configuration right here. Just persisting album and favorite albums because is connected don't need to be persisted, because the is connected data has to be the current state. So I start with the app right here where I built the structure with persistor store or provider store and persist gate. I also have the root navigator. The root navigator holds our home and the tails component. And we also have here the network listener. And if the device is connected or not, we'll be dispatching this to Reducer and saving it in is connected network Reducer so the whole app can access it. In our dashboard, we have the home like this, and in the home, we have our flat list, our search engine like this, where we filter the data, and we also have some optimization flat list right here. But it could be better. We could have paginated this data because 100 items is not a good practice in using flat list. We also have the render item right here with music card component, which holds the album detail in list. We also have here the connectivity feature. I'll show you when the device is offline, the shimmer effect. This shimmer effect is when the app is loading the image. Um, right here We have the offline, the device is offline, it automatically updates the state, and if the app is online again, bang, we can see the state right here. I thought the recorded used must be recorded, so I recorded first and later I saw it should have been lived. um, and then the shimmer effect is here. The shimmer effect is this placeholder effect with silver appearance and shining appearance that holds the placeholder while the image is still loading. And then we have our detail screen right here. The detail screen also has shimmer effect uh, while loading the image. And we have the is connected logic right here. If the device is connected, we show link to album and allow the user to press the button. If not, you show him that he must be online, as we saw in the video right here. I film it because we are not allowed to deactivate the Wi-Fi while filming live. And this is it, guys. I also have my snapshot test right here. If we change something in our appearance, it will point in our snapshot tests. Um, and this is it. And I hope I made myself clear in this video. And I want to be an expert someday. That's why I study a lot. And I hope to work with you guys. I hope to be better in React Native in the future, and also in native Android too, because I want to be a specialist and I want to work with you guys. And if there is anything you want to know, just send me an email and we can talk. Thank you very much for watching this video. Bye bye.